name is Justin Smith. I'm a 42-year-old defense attorney that lives in Dallas, Texas. As luck would have it, I found Dr. Lamb about 6 years ago and started to see him and his very talented staff for a series of laser treatments for my rosacea. And they have specialized tools up here to treat some of the redness and blotches. Well, several years in, I started looking at my eyebrows and my beard and my hairline. And at this point, I was probably about 38, 39, and I noticed that they were starting to thin, in particular through here, and that my hairline was starting to recede just a little bit. And so it was making my forehead look larger, and kind of things were falling out of disproportion. So on one of my laser visits, I stopped and visited with Amina, Dr. Lamb's chief laser technician, and she said, let me just do a quick consult on a hair transplant. And I thought, well, that's something that I'd been thinking about for my eyebrows and for my beard and through here, just kind of in the back of my head, thinking, what's the next little tweak that you need to do kind of along the way to stay and kind of maintain how you look now? So about 45 minutes later, we decided on a FUE laser transplant where we took literally individual follicles from the back of my head and moved them up here along my front brow line and then up into these areas of slight recession. Then we also reinforced the eyebrows that at age 42 were starting to thin and have some of those kind of scraggly eyebrows that kind of come out of nowhere, and you're like, this is not normal eyebrow hair. And then we also used beard hair from here to build up my beard line, which had previously come down to about the middle of my chin, but we built it up so that it kind of naturally ended right in through here. And I can't tell you how pleased I am with the results. Dr. Lamb and his staff are just superb. And I couldn't be happier with the results. As you can see that, well, we don't have before photos, but this is what it looks like after. It's a completely natural aesthetic. Many people have come up and said, you look fantastic, what have you done? Especially since this has been 2020, a year filled with all kinds of stress and struggle for most people, but I just couldn't be happier with the results. They're very natural, they were just what I needed, and Dr. Lamb and his staff come highly recommended.